Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. My name is Miracle. To my new subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by. Are you watching this video and you have not subscribed? Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Turn on your notification bell to be notified any day, anytime a new video is being uploaded. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I appreciate. Today's video, I'll be showing you how I make this delicious oven-baked moi-moi. But before we get started, let me introduce you to the list of ingredients needed. So guys, keep watching and let's get started. We have red bell pepper, properly cleaned, onions and fresh pepper, seasoning cubes, some salt to taste and nutmeg powder, crayfish, tuna fish, some grilled goat meat cut into smaller parts. Feel free to use any protein of your choice. So here we are going to be needing vegetable oil. Now transfer the red bell pepper, onions, pepper into a blender. Add in little water and blend until it is smooth. Once that is done, set it aside. Next, for this recipe, I will be using my homemade beans powder. Okay, so in a bowl, I measured out 3 cups of powdered beans. Feel free to use the fresh one if that is what you prefer. Okay, now add some warm water and keep stirring until it is well mixed and smooth. Okay, make sure not to overwater the beans. So if you want to know how I make my homemade powdered beans, feel free to check it out on my channel, okay? The beans powder is so easy and time saving, okay? So mix yours just like this. Now go ahead and pour in the blended mixture. Stir until it is well combined, just like this. Now I'm done mixing. You can see how it looks, not too watering or too thick. Okay, now season with your tuna fish, nutmeg powder, some seasoning cube, salt to taste, crayfish at your desired quantity. Top it up with any protein of your choice. So here I'm using some grilled goat meat. Stir until it is well combined. Add some vegetable oil and stir. Add some pepper to it. Adjust to your quantity. Depending on how hot or light you want your moi-moi. Okay, now feel free to test for salt if needed. Once that is done, set it aside. Next, I am using moi-moi plates. Place them in the baking tray. Now go ahead and grease the plate with some vegetable oil. I will be repeating this process until I'm done greasing all the plates that I need for this moi-moi, okay? Once that is done, go ahead and pour the moi-moi mix into the plates. I repeated the same process until I am done filling them up. Now I'm done filling them up. You can as well top it up with some eggs, which I am not using in this recipe. Okay, so let's go ahead and cover the plates. Remember to check it from time to time to ensure there is always water in the oven tray. If it looks like it is drying up, top it up with some water. Pour some water in the oven tray. It can be cold water or hot water. So here I am using hot water, okay? This will help retain moisture in the oven baked moi moi and also prevent it from drying up. Okay, once that is done, go ahead and place in the oven and bake for 45 minutes depending on your oven settings. 46 minutes later, let's check on the oven. Our moi moi is done. Remove it and let it cool down completely. Okay, then go ahead and bring them out from the plate once the moi moi has completely cooled down. Oven baked moi moi is the best, yeah. It looks so soft and tasted super delicious. I love oven baked moi moi, honestly speaking. You can enjoy it as a snack or serve with akamu, known as ogi, custard or gari, or in whichever way you prefer. Yes. Are you the type that love moi moi and you have not tried this oven baked moi moi? I bet you on this. Try it out. You will love it. Okay. Thank you guys for watching and see you in our next video. Remember, blessed. Bye.